and here are my audience.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6,
7, 8, 9.
And here comes to my speech. My topic today is about to help the children in poverty with their education. The state government of Nevada should funding the nonprofit educational organizations such as the NEEKC Foundation. Cited from the 2016 Kids Count data book, Nevada ranked the 47th among the 50 states in the United States. Lots of children in Nevada are unable to go to school to receive better education because of their poor financial condition. And one way for us to help them is to give the foundation funding. In Nevada ranked the lowest high school graduation rate among all the states in the United States. Hispanic, Native American, and the children in black has the lowest graduation rate in the United States. Also, the poor children in Nevada has the lowest high school graduation rate, and children with disabilities in Nevada also has the lowest graduation rate, which is cited from the U.S. Department of Education. If you are children born with poverty, you are unlucky, and you are children with poverty in Nevada, you are very unlucky. Education, as well known, is the most powerful weapon for children to change their lives and even their family's condition. And the limited access to education make many children in Nevada don't have the access to the opportunities to change their lives forever. And Nevada state government must take action while there are already many kinds of non-profit organizations has taken action to help those children with poverty about their education. I personally receive scholarship and somewhat financial aid from others, and I feel really grateful about that. And I believe that you may receive this kind of financial aid too. And I think all of you know how those certain amount of money can make a difference to help you change your lives. And I think you should realize that the state government of Nevada support to this kind of foundation can help those children get rid of their poor condition right now. Then I will introduce you the outline of my speech today. Firstly, I will inform you the current situation of children with poverty's education in Nevada. Secondly, I will tell you what NEEKC Foundation has been done. And thirdly, what is the benefits for us to funding in this foundation. Nevada's public school system has ranked the lowest in terms of the high school graduation rate. And the first issue about that is the financial problem. Nevada now still has 15% of population are below the poverty line, and many teenagers drop out of school. Cited from a survey from UNLV instructors, 14.1% of teenagers said they drop out from school because they cannot go to school and have work at the same time. 9.2% of them admit that they choose to have a job instead of going to school because they really need to support their family financially. I personally know a great female student who is struggling with whether she should go into the university or just stay at home to do some job to help her family. Because her family cannot afford her college expense, even she's eligible for the scholarship. And I hope excellent children like her can attend their dream university, rather than losing the opportunity to change their lives in long term. The second issue is that Nevada has limited resources about education. The more students Nevada has, the less care each of them can get. Nevada now cited from the U.S. Department of Education. In Nevada, nowadays, each primary school has 552 students, and the average level of the United States is 453 students. The reasons of the poor educational condition in Nevada comes from two main reasons: the poor family financial performance and the limited educational resources. Then I'll introduce you the NEEKC Foundation. NEEKC Foundation was established in 1948. The goal and objective of this foundation is to develop a brighter future for children at risk of poor educational, economical, social, and healthy outcomes. NEEKC Foundation focuses on strengthening families, building stronger communities, and ensuring their access to succeed, because children need all these three factors to succeed. NEEKC Foundation has been done many research and solutions to overcome the barriers of children. Working across the United States, it has helped federal agencies, states, countries, cities, and neighborhoods to get more innovative and cost-effective responses in terms of the issue that has been negatively impact on children, like poverty and limited access to opportunities. Since 1948, policies practice has been transformed under the hard working by NEEKC Foundation, and it has approved that it can get positive results for a larger number of kids and families. Nevada state government should support the foundation by adding foundation or organize the volunteer programs about it. It's not just about charity, it's about helping people, helping Nevada too. It's part of the social responsibility of Nevada's state government, because this action can heavily influence the society that Nevada people are living in. Cited from Alliance for Excellent Education, if Nevada's high school graduation rates can increase about 5%, about $38.4 million can be earned by the state government from crime-related saving and additional revenue. If each dropout earns their diplomas that they should deserve, the Nevada government can save more than $230.1 million in terms of the health care costs. And if all heads of the families can graduate from high school, the households in Nevada can earn more income at about $623 million. In summary, lots of children with poverty cannot get the chance to receive better education because of the poor financial condition or the policy issues. The Nevada state government should fund non-profit organizations just like NEEKC Foundation. And a help from the state government today can get a better life for everyone in Nevada. And a small thought from you can bring a lot to others. A small action from the state government can change Nevada's people's life tomorrow. Thank you. And here's my note cards.